So I like using Google Tasks for all my tasks on my PC and on my phone. But the problem is, whenever I want to make a widget, it's just very ugly and it is directly in my screen. You can see right here that I have the tasks widget and I hate it. It's so ugly. And there are not really any settings for it to really change however I want. But there is an alternative for it. It is an app. It is called task.org and right here it is the app itself, but we can easily make a widget of it. Whenever I want to make a widget of this app, you can easily see that if I drag it just like this to my desktop, that it looks kind of ugly. But the better option is that we have settings right here. Because it will take us to widget settings. I can actually disable opacity and every single thing, for example the header, everything like this for this widget. And even better is, it syncs with my Google Tasks. Depending on your wallpaper, you can make it look something like this. Very simple. It is transparent and I can think of everything here very easily. Right here is their website and it's an open source task manager, which I really like. But the only thing you need to do to sync it to your Google Tasks is very simple. Open the app, it will probably look like this. Then go to this menu right here, which is 3 bars, and then go to the settings right here. After doing this, you already see that my Google Tasks is connected but not synced because it doesn't work. What you can do right here is add account. If I can click on the right button. Right here you can see all the apps you can sync with it and Google Tasks is the one I'm using. By the way, they are also working on Microsoft To Do syncing, which is great. I just use the Google Tasks feature right here. After doing this, select your own account. Let me just do that and then it is synced. If you want to change the widget right here, you can easily do that. Or change the app itself. It is all open source and there are a lot of options. So after swiping down, just like this, it should actually be syncing to my Google Tasks. Just like this, you can already see that it is loading a lot of things and not just the random thing I enabled for you guys. These are the real tasks and the same on my Google Tasks app, which means I also see them as a widget, just like this on my home screen. Well, a very short video about my favorite Tasks app to get it as a beautiful widget on your own phone. On my computer, on the other hand, I like to use Google Tasks just like this, very simple, to the right side. Consider subscribing if you haven't yet. I'm making more of these short videos a lot of times a week because we're close to monetization and we want to grow a lot in the community of learning and giving best advices. I'll see you in the next one and thank you so much for watching. Goodbye.